In the high-stakes game of cancer treatment, precision is everything. The ability to deliver a drug straight to a tumor without nuking every other healthy cell in the vicinity is like threading a molecular needle. And now, in a twist few could have predicted, yogurt is stepping up as a contender in this nanotechnological arms race. Specifically, researchers are turning to casein micelles and yogurt-derived extracellular vesicles as the building blocks for nanospheres capable of targeted cancer drug delivery. It's dairy science meets oncology, and the results are promising, and just a little surreal. Let's begin with the stars of this unexpected show, casein micelles. These are naturally occurring protein-lipid complexes found in milk, and by extension in yogurt. In the dairy world, they're responsible for carrying calcium and phosphate and giving yogurt its rich, creamy texture. But to a nanotechnologist, casein micelles are self-assembling, pH-sensitive nanocarriers that can encapsulate hydrophobic drugs, protect them from enzymatic degradation, and release them in response to subtle changes in the environment, like the acidic pH often found in tumors. Their structure makes them especially useful. With a hydrophobic core and hydrophilic shell, casein micelles are ideal for ferrying poorly soluble anti-cancer drugs like paclitaxel, curcumin, or doxorubicin. Once loaded, these micelles can circulate through the body, avoiding premature drug release and degradation. Even better, casein micelles are biodegradable, non-toxic, and inherently biocompatible, which gives them a significant edge over many synthetic nanocarriers that tend to trigger immune reactions or accumulate in tissues. Then there's the second element in this dairy-powered delivery duo, yogurt-derived extracellular vesicles, EVs. These nano-sized packages are released by probiotic bacteria during fermentation and are rich in lipids, proteins, and nucleic acids. Importantly, they can be engineered to carry therapeutic cargo, and because they originate from food-grade microbes, they are remarkably safe and tolerable. But what makes them truly exciting for cancer therapy is their ability to interact with human cells, including cancer cells, via receptor-mediated pathways. This gives them a level of biological stealth and specificity that synthetic liposomes can only dream of. Together, casein micelles and yogurt EVs offer a powerful delivery platform. In early preclinical models, these nanosystems have shown the ability to accumulate preferentially in tumor tissue thanks to the enhanced permeability and retention (EPR) effect. Basically, tumors are leaky and greedy, and nanoparticles know how to exploit that. Once inside the tumor microenvironment, these dairy-derived nanospheres can be triggered to release their drug payload, either through enzymatic signals or local acidity. The result is high local drug concentration, minimal off-target toxicity, and reduced side effects, especially to fast-dividing healthy cells like those in the gut or bone marrow. Further advances are taking this idea even further by functionalizing the nanospheres, adding surface ligands that target specific cancer cell receptors. Think folate for ovarian cancer, transferrin for brain tumors, or HER2 binding peptides for breast cancer. With these tags, yogurt-derived nanocarriers don't just float around hoping to hit a tumor, they home in on it like a heat-seeking missile. This approach also opens up possibilities for co-delivery systems, where chemotherapy is paired with anti-inflammatory agents, SIRNA, or even immune modulators, all in a single yogurt-based carrier. That's right. A dairy-inspired nanoparticle could one day carry a multi-pronged cancer treatment directly to the tumor, bypassing the bloodstream's biochemical chaos and delivering a clean punch to the disease. Of course, challenges remain. Stability in the bloodstream, large-scale production, and regulatory approval are significant hurdles. Researchers must ensure consistent formulation, drug loading efficiency, and clearance rates. The road from lab bench to hospital is paved with paperwork, but the underlying science is gathering steam. So while your breakfast yogurt isn't yet a cancer drug delivery system, it's supplying the raw materials for something potentially revolutionary. What was once a humble food is being re-engineered into a stealthy, biocompatible nanovehicle capable of ferrying life-saving compounds past the body's defenses and delivering them right where they're needed most. In the fight against cancer, even dairy proteins are suiting up, and they're doing it with microscopic precision.